in this video we'll learn about the ternary operator. So this is known as the ternary operator, a question mark followed by a colon. Okay, so this is actually a ternary operation. So in the first part there is a condition, like if you say if x greater than 10. Okay, so this is the condition. Okay, if this condition is true, then this is the result here. So true part here, and if the condition is false, then this part will be executed. So this can be used as a shorthand notation whenever you want to skip the if else condition and stuff. Okay, so this is the use of this thing, and it is used in single evaluation of an expression. Okay, in a single line you can evaluate any expression. So now let's get started with the simple program for this thing. So just like always, start with stdio.h int main. Okay, here return 0, and here let's take a variable, say x. Okay, so in this program what we'll do is we will find whether x is even or odd. So how does someone know whether a number is even or odd? So in programming it is calculated by dividing the number by 2. If the number returns or the remainder of that number is 0, then it is an even number, and if the remainder is anything other than 0, then it's an odd number. Okay, so for that thing what we'll do is first we'll take a user input for this thing, enter a number. Okay, here scanf %d and ampersand x. Okay, and after this is done, you can either write if condition like this. Let me show you with the if condition, x mod 2. So there are two operations in programming. So in division you can directly use this thing, divide by 2. So this gives us the quotient, and the percent symbol will give us the remainder. Okay, so if we write here x mod 2 equals to 0, then it's a even number. X is even number. Okay, for x we'll write here %d. Okay, let's show which number it is. X. Okay, and else it's an odd number. It's an odd number. Is an odd number. So let's save this thing in even odd dot c gcc minus o. Okay, so even odd here, if you compile this thing as even odd, 2 is an even number, 7 odd number. So now we have to convert this expression into a ternary expression. So we can skip this whole thing, and we can just write, simply take a string here. Okay, or character array, you can say, result. Okay, and here I can write res equals to x mod 2 equals to 0, even odd. And here you can write printf %d is %s res. Okay, let's save this thing and recompile this thing again. Okay, and now 12 3 1 3 is odd, 7 is odd. Okay, so this is how you can use a ternary expression. See here, previously we had written a if condition, so here this condition part will come. Okay, so for if condition we had written if x mod 2 equals to 0, then even, else odd. Okay, so this is how ternary expressions are evaluated. So this was the first part in the conditional statements. We'll see how we can use nested ifs and stuff in the upcoming video. Thank you.